Hey guys, this is 20th video of this channel. I hope you have watched my previous videos and you know very well my English is horrible, but the thing is that guys, there is no other way. If you want to speak English and if any kind of language, then you have to speak other or no matter you don't know or not. All right, without speaking you can't learn any kind of language. All right, and my target is that I have to learn, I have to speak English very well. So I'm doing this. I don't get any kind of I don't have this environment where I can speak English, where some people where some people gonna teach me. But the thing is that yeah, my friends are very smart, my friends are very kindful, but the thing is that they don't need, they don't need feel that English is necessary. So they communicate in native language, that means in Hindi. But I have to speak, I have to learn English very soon. So I'm doing this. All right, and in this video I would like to say about how to save money in nowadays. Because money is many things, not everything, but many things. We have to accept that money is very important for our life. If we want to survive our life very smoothly, then we have a sufficient amount of money. All right, not much more, but we have something that we can survive our life easily. That means you have to be good clothes. You have to be it is not necessary you have to wear costly clothes, but you have some clothes so that you can look smart, so that you can look gentleman. All right guys, and it is a myth that after wearing a costly dress you will look smart, you will be a classic. It is not like that. You have to wear a simple dress, you have to wear a well dressed dress. Okay, and a house is very important for us, for everyone. I know it is not possible in nowadays to buy a house in big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, but you have done something great. If you do something great, you have to if you have a lot of money, then you can buy it. All right, in this video I have watched a video, and the channel name is Study Glow, and the sir is very nice. I love him a lot. The sir name is his name is Siddhant sir. All right, and I have watched, and today's topic was how to save money. That video was in Hindi, but I have to speak in English so that I can improve it, and I think this is the best way. This is the best way to learn something in English. Okay, so start how to save money and why to save money. Look, I told you already, money is very important, and you know very well money is very important in nowadays. Money gives you a lot of respect. It is right, it is right, and we have to accept that if you have money, then you will respected by many person. You will respected in your society. So if we we have to save money. It does not matter how you earn and what do you earn. All right, in low income, if you do something, if you do some steps, then definitely you're gonna save some money. Okay, let's start. The first thing is that we have to think carefully at first while we going to spend money. Suppose while we going to buy a clothes, buy clothes. Okay, then we have to think a lot. We have to think that it is not necessary we have to wear costly dress. It is okay, it is not enough. It is not okay that you have to wear a costly branded shirt, pant, jeans. It is not necessary. All right, so think before going to shopping clothes. All right, buy some clothes so that you can look great and look classics and look smart gentleman. All right, we have different types of clothes, and after that, if you spend a lot of money in junk food, in fast food, then it is not right. We have to cut down from there. All right, it is not okay. I told you in my previous video that fast food will definitely not gonna useful for you. It is a junk food. It is a very it is not good for our health. So we should avoid to eat any kind of junk food. All right. And my friends, I have a lot of friends who does it, who spends a lot of money in junk food, in fast food, in daily basis. I told you guys, I am telling you guys, it is not necessary, it is not a good habit. So if you have this habit, then please change it. All right, after changing this topic, you will save a lot of money. Okay, the second step is that we should not eat junk food daily basis. We should not eat fast food. We should not eat any kind of things which is which is not good for our health. Okay, from there you can save money also. And suppose and I would like to say something, you guys. Suppose you have to buy a mobile, then you have to spend a little bit more, because if you buy cheap mobile, if you buy not so much costly, then it will be I don't know how to pronunciation it, I don't know how to speak it, मतलब ये जल्दी ख़राब हो जाएगा. Okay, so you have to spend a lot of not a lot of, you have to spend 20 to 25,000 rupees on mobile, so that if you buy 20 to 25,000 rupees mobile, then it will be good for you. It will be lasting 3 to 4 years. Okay, but if you buy 8,000 6,000 rupees mobile, then it will be unfunctionable. All right, and it will be destroy within 1 year. I'm sorry. So, and let's talk about some in some if you do something in your house, little bit things, you can save a lot of money. Suppose electricity. It is not necessary that use electricity without any uses. Unnecessary electricity, we should avoid it. Suppose suppose there is no one and the light is switch on, then it is not okay. It should not be done. We should save electricity, so that we can get a less amount of electricity bill. From there you can from some steps you can save money from there. And if you buy some items like fridge and different things for your house, then from there you can we should I would like to say something. You have to bargain. You have to bargaining while going to shopping any kind of things, but not from the poor man like rickshaw wala, toto wala, and vegetables, grocery. From that from this kind of man, we should not bargaining. All right, we should bargain from bargaining from mall. Okay, while suppose you have to buy a car, then you can definitely you should do bargaining from there. By doing this type of small steps, we can save our money. All right, and one thing I would like to say something, that workout. Suppose many youngers, many people go to the gym and to get fitness, but it is not necessary. If you want to look smart, if you want to be fit, then you have to go to gym. It is not necessary. You can be fit. You can do exercise in your home also. It is not necessary you have to pay a lot of money. You have to pay monthly basis. I know, if 1,000 to 1,500 rupees monthly we have to pay while going to gym, but it is not necessary. At staying home we can do exercise. I do exercise in my home. We don't need to pay a lot of money. From there you can save money. And if you suppose from office and to your home, there is a far away and a little bit distance from there, from office to your home, then we should do some steps to save our money. Like we should go from house to office by public transport. Okay, and by bus. We should share our vehicles from our neighbors. If we both are going same places to work, by doing this we can save our lot of a good amount of money. Okay, and I think this type of some little steps. And one thing we should you should definitely do that. We should have 2 to 3 accounts, bank account. I'm telling about bank account. Okay, one accounts should be saving accounts. We should not we should not take money from their accounts. We should only saving from that account. And there is a one account where we should expand from, and we should do transaction from there, from that account. Okay, so you should have 2 accounts. One accounts for transaction, one accounts for only for saving. We should not take money from that account. Okay, by doing this we can definitely, by doing little bit little steps, by we can save our money. I think it is depend on you, it is depend on you in your income. If by doing this this small steps, we can save 2000 to 3000 per month. And I think it is very it is good amount. All right, 2 to 3000 if you save from this is by doing this small steps, then it is good for our future, it is good for your future also, because money is very important, guys. And if you have a lot of money, then it is right, it is okay. But if you are a middle class family, if you earn 25,000, 50,000, 60,000 and 30,000, then we should do these small steps in daily basis, so that we can save our money. Okay, and yeah, that's enough. I would like to say I have watched that session from study glows of Siddhant sir. So that time I decided I will speak in English, and I will make video about that, about these topics. I know my English is horrible, guys, trust me and forgive me. Please do correct me and tell me the steps, how can I improve my English. I am doing a lot of things, like I am reading newspaper, I am watching English movies, English YouTube web series, and so that I can my English, my listening power is good. I can understand I can just understand 95%, but and I can understand I can read also. But when I speak, when I start speaking, then I don't know what's going on, I can't speak. All right, but in my mind I can speak very well. So I think this is the best way. And you guys are lovely, you guys are amazing, and definitely without your support I cannot achieve my goal. My goal is that I have to make 100 videos at first, and after that I will do a lot of things for you, for this channel. And okay, we will definitely grow this channel. And do like, do share, and tell your friends who wants to speak English, but they can't, but they cannot speak. Just thinking about that, if I start speaking they will laugh at me. Trust me, guys, there is no other way. You have to speak in English, okay, whatever you know or not. So I'm going to wind up this channel, this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. Give love. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, love you.